Hey guys, welcome back to this GrandMA3 tutorial series. Today we're taking a look into magic presets. Magic presets allow you to spread attribute values across any amount of fixtures that are of the same type from the fixtures that we used as the source. There are a lot of rules to follow when creating magic presets, so be sure to pay close attention. Let's jump in and see how this works. To demonstrate creating a magic preset using the color feature, I'm going to use my pars since they are color mixing. I'm going to select the first two pars on the downstage truss. Let's bring them to full and then open up our command control window. Since magic presets require grid information in order to spread values correctly, both fixtures have to be present in the grid when attribute values are changed. To choose two different colors with both fixtures selected, I'm going to click the Next button. This keeps both fixtures in the selection, but now only the first fixture is listening to the programmer. I want the first color to be lime, so I'll click the lime preset. Now, to only affect the second fixture, I'm going to press the Next button again. I want magenta as the second color, so I'll click the magenta preset. To regain programmer control of both fixtures, I'm going to press Set. Before we store this, magic presets require selective information to be stored in the new preset, since selective is the only preset mode that also carries grid information. To ensure the preset is stored as a selective preset, we can either change the store settings to selective like we've seen before in a previous video, or we can temporarily change the preset mode to selective in the color pool settings. This works best when the preset mode in your store settings is set to auto. Just remember to change it back when you're done. We'll store this in the color pool and label it lime/magenta. This, however, is not a magic preset yet. Using the swipey feature, we need to go into the edit setting, which is just under the store button. In the edit window, make sure that the settings toggle to the top right is on. Along the new top ribbon, you'll see a magic toggle towards the right side. Let's press it and then exit the edit window. Finally, we'll select the pars group, bring them all to full, and then click on our new magic preset that now has a little wizard hat in the top right corner. Right away, we can see that the programmer has spread the attribute values evenly, going from lime to magenta, along the x-axis of our selection grid. A quick thing to notice, though, is that the color attribute values are not hard values. They are active values in the programmer, as shown by the red highlighted blocks in the encoder bar and in the fixture sheet. This keeps magic presets prepared to be stored in sequences just like any other preset, which we'll get into in another video. Let's change our color pool preset mode back to global, clear our selection, and always remember to save our show file.